Welcome back to this fabulous channel. Welcome back to the City of Sin. If you all are new to the channel, stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for this epic adventure as always. Today we are here at the Excalibur Hotel Casino in Las Vegas. We're going to do a quick room review tour, so I hope you guys enjoy this video here at the Excalibur. Just like every hotel and casino, they will have this little map on the back of the door for you. Right now we're staying at the Excalibur. Red marks the spot at where you're at. It gives you the kind of floor layout and where to go in case of an emergency or a fire. Remember, don't use your elevators because they will not work. We have kind of a half-length mirror here. I guess for any normal person of normal height, this would be a full-length mirror, but for me, being as tall as I am, this is not a full-length mirror. If I wanted to see the top half, I'd have to check out the bathroom and go in here. So directly off to the right as you enter this room is going to be the bathroom here at the Excalibur. So they have a really long counter space, which is really nice. You can spread out, put your stuff on there. I did end up booking a king room, just your basic king room. I was upgraded to a staywell room here at the Excalibur, so I will show you some of the things included with a staywell room compared to your normal room. So this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom shower. Now in the staywell room, you do have this little attachment here, which will give you some soft water, which is absolutely awesome. Because most of the water here in Vegas is extremely hard, and if you have a soft water softener in your house, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about and how nice it actually is. There is no tub at the Excalibur. It is just a stand-up shower with the staywell room, and same with the normal resort room as well. So just keep that in mind. They have a little nice King Knight emblem there. It looks like a shield framed in a picture. You have the standard commode right down there, and towels all done up. I like the way they fold the towels. I had to refold that to make it look good for this video, since the first thing I do when I get into these rooms is wash my hands, make sure those are all good to go. There's me in the mirror, so I will take you out here in just a second. They have this nice little extendable mirror where you can check that out. Super strength there to see all of the things on your face if need be. I really don't need that, so we'll kind of put that back. They do have a hairdryer here, which is kind of cool. You don't see that too often in most of these Las Vegas resorts, but they do have it here at the Excalibur. As we turn right out of the bathroom, this will take you over to the room. On the left, they have some more kind of Knights themed decor and pictures and things. Behind that, on this opposite side, is going to be the closet. So they have a nice little luggage rack down there at the bottom where you can put all of your luggage and gear, and they have some hangers as well as a bag and your list for dry cleaning here as well, like we had talked about in New York. If you take a look at this dry cleaning list, you can see why it is much cheaper to go to the laundromat like I did today when your room or your stay in Las Vegas is extended a little bit. So I did hit up the laundromat instead of dry cleaning, a little bit cheaper option. They do have this nice lamp that is over by the kind of entertainment center. I wish there was two of those lamps. It'd be really nice to have more than just one of them. Over here, since we have the camera already over here, we'll show you the entertainment center. So we do have a flat Samsung TV. This is where the safe will be, is right down here. Not that one, excuse me. Not the pull out, but right down there. I like these safes better than New York, because with this one you can actually get some depth in there, so you can actually fit some things in your safe. So bravo Excalibur with your awesome safe compared to New York's dinky little safe. So that is a bonus. That is a huge plus. Like I said, I did book just a standard king room. However, they didn't have any that were available, so I did get upgraded to this staywell room with 2 queens instead. So that is one of the beds. Trust me, we've already checked for bed bugs and things like that. That's one of the first things I do when I get here. Some more artwork over there, which is just kind of clouds, picturesque type of thing. It's still kind of cool to look at. They have the nightstand, which will have your alarm clock, another lamp with a plug-in in it. Usually what I find is that these plug-ins don't work because there's so many people plug things into them. So that may or may not work. I haven't tested it yet, so I'll have to let you know if that does work. They do have the remote for the TV, a pen that is branded by the Excalibur. My room keys and things like that, this little pull-out drawer. And then they also have kind of this amenity kit like they do for these reopening casinos. So as you can see, this one's branded with the Excalibur right there. So we will take a look in the goodie bag and see what they provide you with. They provide you with hand sanitizer, a big thing of it. They also provide you with 2 masks, also branded by the Excalibur. And they also have the tool, which they had in the MGM one, but not the New York one. That was one that it was missing. They also have a nice Mgm Resorts Pen for you. And this was a little tool that I was talking about, where you can press buttons and stuff with this. You can even open beers. It has a beer bottle opener and everything kind of all attached. It's kind of cool too, because it's got a little rubber touch thing at the end. So if you're using it for like an iPad or your cell phone, it will actually work. So that is pretty cool. This is the other queen bed, very similar to the other one. Checked both beds for bed bugs actually, just to make sure you don't get something from one off the other. Nice little workstation here. The chairs are super, super comfortable. Unfortunately, my laptop has seen better days. So right now, my laptop is still in the process of reinstalling the operating system. So I've had some computer troubles. So if you're wondering why the videos haven't been popping up on your notification screen lately, is because they haven't been edited or haven't been posted just quite yet. So bear with me through the technical difficulties. We'll get through it the best that we can. So right now they have this awesome lamp. Be sure to watch your head. If you're tall like me, as you can see in that mirror, you'll definitely take off your head if you bump into that. But they did try and center it over the table a little bit as well. So that does help for that. They do have a little aroma machine, or diffuser is what I would like to say. So if you've checked out aromaretail.com, this is very similar to what they have. A diffuser to kind of make it smell absolutely delicious in here. They have an ice bucket, some plastic cups, pretty normal in any hotel that you would ever come across anymore these days, pretty standard. Over to the right, this is going to be where the air conditioning unit is. You can control it from this little outlet right there. I have it off right now just so it doesn't kick in when I'm doing this video and ruin our audio for it. So that's the reason for that. We do have this staywell. This is the air purification unit. What this will do is this will purify the air in the room and make it a little bit better of an experience compared to your normal room. Now, as most of you are all probably wondering, since I did get upgraded to a staywell room, of course I did get upgraded with one with an awesome view. So let's go ahead and check that out. We are directly across from New York. I did get a strip facing view, which is awesome. If you guys remember the last time that I stayed at New York, my mom and I had the attached rooms. We both had this exact same type of view. You can see the freeway and Tropicana right down there. You can see T-Mobile straight ahead of you there, the parking garage for New York, and you can see the towers for New York directly across the street, as well as the roller coaster. That New York sign, when it lights up at night, is absolutely cool. At the little entrance where you get dropped off if you're taking a taxi or an Uber or Lyft, you'll go right towards that entrance of New York. You can see the PED Sky Bridge down there in the distance. You can see the Statue of Liberty, MGM Grand, and a few of the other casinos. You can see the edge of Planet Hollywood there, kind of peeking out from New York, and you can see Park MGM. but pretty decent view. I would definitely have to say I love looking at the Strip, especially at night. It's always fun to pull up one of the chairs, sit here at the window, enjoy an ice cold beverage as you're watching the Glitter Gulch. But I hope you guys enjoyed this room review tour of the Excalibur Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. My name is Ryan. I will be your host for all of these videos. If you guys like these videos, be sure to like them. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Be sure to share these with your friends and family. But until next time.